Hi everybody, welcome to day 26 of Treasure Trovember, our 6th annual mixed media collage challenge where we add one item a day for 30 days to a single collage. Day 26, we're very close to the end. It's getting exciting, your collages are getting crowded. If you just found this video today, there's a link down below to a welcome video that explains the entire challenge. I'll also put a link to the entire playlist so that you can go through day by day and add to your collage. So for day 26, the prompt is to add a sign. Add a sign to your collage today. Interpret that any way you would like to. And I will see you back here tomorrow for day 27.